If you're a beginner, try to make money online, but you don't know which AI chatbot to start with, stop scrolling. In the next minutes, I will show you exactly which one AI fits you. And the answer might surprise you. Welcome to part 1 of this beginner-friendly AI series. In this series, we're breaking down the 3 biggest AI chatbots of our days: ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and Claude. And I'm going to show you how each one can help you make money online from day one, even if you're starting from zero. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which AI you should begin with. And stick around, because I'll preview what's coming in part 2. Alright, let's keep this super simple. ChatGPT is the most popular and the most beginner-friendly. It's great for writing, ideas, content, and small freelancing tasks. Google Gemini is the smart researcher. It's amazing at facts, data, SEO, YouTube ideas, and analyzing information. Claude is the calm professional. It's the best for long writing, things like ebooks, scripts, and detailed documents. And don't worry, each of these will get their own episode. This is just your roadmap. Now let's talk about the differences. ChatGPT is perfect if you want fast results, simple prompts, and easy money-making tasks like writing product descriptions, captions, emails, or digital products. Google Gemini shines when you need research, brainstorming, keyword ideas, blog topics, or YouTube strategies. It gives cleaner, more analytic answers. Claude is your go-to when you want long, clean, professional writing. If you ever wanted to create an ebook, a course, a long script, or a detailed guide, Claude make it effortless. And in a minute, I'll tell you which one I recommend for absolute beginners. So which one you should start with? Here is the truth. There is no one best chatbot. It depends on what you wanna do. If you want side hustles, quick tasks, or freelancing, start with ChatGPT. If you want research, SEO, YouTube ideas, or analysis, start with Google Gemini. If you want ebooks, long content, and digital products, start with Claude. And in part 2, I will show you exactly how to make money with ChatGPT step by step, even if it's your first day online. Before we wrap up, I have made for you 2 free guides to help you make money right now. The first is about 5 ways to make money online, and the second is about 20 powerful websites and tools. You can grab them from the link below. This was the part 1 of this series. In part 2, we break down ChatGPT. Subscribe so you don't miss it, and I will see you in the next video.